biggest issue in the town is the mess they made out of West Street, and it ruined the whole town.
It's just not the same as it used to be. You know, in fact, I don't actually come into the town centre very much because it's so split up and so divided.
A lack of investment by government in the town. This has been a traditional industrial town with a big manufacturing base. That's totally been lost over the last 40 years.
The footpaths and parking. They should have left this the way it was. They spent millions on it, and you can't even come down there and park your car, especially for the old people that comes down to the mast.
They should change West Street back to the way it was, because no one can come in or out of the town now, and no car parks or anything now.
It's not easy actually to shop in the town centre.
For me, the biggest issue at the minute is probably affordable parking for people coming in to shop in this town.
I'd like to see West Street opened again and have a few taxis on Main Street.
All the investment in this county has gone to Dundalk because they have the politicians and we don't.